Alright guys, so if you didn't live under a rock, you probably have heard of FPV lately. A drone evolution taking place over the last few years. And basically, it's the closest sensation you will ever get to flying. But there has been one big issue so far. You needed a lot of time and skills to build and fly those drones. But this has changed. DJI just introduced their revolutionary FPV drone that becomes the easiest entry point into the world of FPV.
Alright guys, what's going on? So, this is it. This is the new DJI FPV drone. So I've been lucky enough to test and fly the thing for the past 2 months, and I've been really amazed how easy and accessible it became to fly FPV drones. So the drone offers 3 flight modes. Depending on your skills and the situation, you can choose them accordingly. So there's the N mode, which stands for normal mode, and you're used to it from flying other drones like the Mavic or so. Then you got the new introduced sport mode, which is a hybrid mode and uses both elements from standard DJI drones and FPV drones, and it really simplifies the learning curve for FPV. And then in the end you got M mode, which stands for manual mode. You completely manually flying the drone and you got the full FPV experience. So it's made for a little bit more experienced FPV users, but also for them that are brave enough to take on the FPV challenge. So the drone itself has a built-in wide-angle 4K 60p camera. It uses rock-steady electronic image stabilization to get a super smooth image right out of the drone. In addition to the normal controller, DJI also introduced a completely new type of controller. It's called the motion controller. So it basically uses the movement of your hand and translates it to the drone. Probably the experience you get flying it with this controller is as immersive as it can ever be. So I've been flying FPV drones for over 2 years now, and after testing this drone for the past 2 months, I think it's easy to say that DJI made a product that is fun and simple to use. It works great for beginners, and it even comes with a dedicated simulator app for your phone where you can practice and improve your skills. And also the 20 minutes of flight time that you get on one battery is actually a big deal for FPV. So I think in general, it's simple to say that this whole setup is definitely the easiest way to get into FPV right now.